Hi guys, today basically I decided to do a haul for Forever 52, and I was waiting for my products from a long time, and just yesterday I received the products and I decided to do a haul for you all. And yes, I have tried a few things, not discovered now whatever stuff I have ordered from them, and yes, let's go. So basically this is the box, right, which I had received from them, and I must say the packing and everything was amazingly done, because none of the products were damaged, because all the products were really well packed and amazing. So here's the list of things I have ordered from them. I have kept it safely so that I can let you know the prices, because obviously I wouldn't remember it by heart. So these two pretty Stardust. So it's called as Stardust. I'll show you. These are called as Stardust. Okay. And this is nothing but like a pressed glitter, which you can use it on your eye while doing the eye makeup. So I found it really cute and I thought let's give it a try. So the shades which I ordered for, okay, this is face and body glitter guys, so you can use it either on your eyes or you can also use it for your body if you want to look at little shimmery, right? Okay, this shade is bronze. Okay, it's mentioned here right below. It's a bronze shade from the Stardust, and this shade is pink champagne, right? I'm sure you must be not able to see the name here, but it's pink champagne. So these two products, I checked the quality. I mean, I opened it and checked the quality. If you want, I can do it now also. So it was really tightly packed. Like I said, the packaging is amazing. This bottle is really cute, and I'll show you the glitter. I don't feel like wasting it either. See, look at the shine. I'll show you on the hands. Take out both and show you, so you have an idea. And the glitters are so finely, I mean they are so minute that even if you place them on your eye, you won't feel that like they are irritating, because most of the glitters, if they are not very fine, they hurt you on your eyelid when you put them. So in this case I'm sure it won't happen, though I haven't used, but I'm sure, because I'm touching it and I can feel it. It's really soft. Look, can you see that? How pretty they are. How glittery and sparkly. Yeah. So the amount for this along with the tax costed me 314 rupees each. So one bottle is for 314 along with the tax, and it's not bad guys, because usually these pressed glitters are really expensive and you don't get it less than 600 or 700 and so on. And even if you go for a palette together, it won't cost you less than like 7 to 8,000. So I found them very good, and yes, I'll be ordering more very soon. So I'll be going to my other product now, which I had ordered from them, and this is basically the natural eyelashes glue, and I needed one, so I thought let's try from them only. So yes, this, it costed me 254 only. Isn't it good? So this is the packaging. Again, the packaging and everything was amazing. It's white in color, let me tell you. Okay. This is the Forever 52 eyeliner, and it's mentioned as Forever 52 Germany. And I have applied this eyeliner also, if you can see. And let me tell you, I am not good in eyeliners, if you have noticed that. And especially this thing, look at this, how fine it is, right? It's really fine. So when you draw it on your eye, it gives you a very amazing line. If I use it on my hand, on my, look how fine it is. Can you see that? So it's an amazing liner. I found it good, and the price for this, it costed me, and it's called a smoky eyeliner, and the price for this was 488 rupees only. Nothing, it's nothing. Like, to do is this super volume and lengthening mascara, and again, this is an amazing mascara. I have applied it, if you can see, look. It's given me so much of volume, guys, look. I mean, I haven't put any fake lashes, and this is what only this product has done to my lash. So I found it really good because it's doing two things together. One is it's giving length to your eyelash, and secondly it's giving a volume to your eyelash. So I'll show you how the bristle looks like. This is the bristle, and it did work really amazingly. I just loved it. This costed me 679 rupees only. So this was for 679, and I must say, as per the price, the product is amazing. It did a job really well. Okay, it's a lip gloss. It's a super stay lip gloss. This is what it is called. Okay, and I ordered this color. I usually like pink shades or little I mean sides of pink I usually go for, because those are my colors, or you can say browns and nudes. So I ordered for this color, and this is again in this kind of a packaging, and no doubt pretty color. So this is how it is. Names, and I couldn't find it on the lipstick, so the name is not there, guys. But yeah, I'll let you know how much this costed me. This costed me 552 rupees only. So usually if you go for lip glosses, I mean it's a lipstick only, come on. It's called a lip gloss, but it's doing the job of a lipstick. So if you usually go for a lipstick, you won't get it less than 600, 700. So I think it's amazing. Let's put that. Translucent powder. It's a translucent matte loose powder. I don't want to break the box, but I break it. Okay, finally. So this is how it looks like, right? And I liked one thing a lot about this. It has a very cute cushion in it, guys. Look. So with the help of this cushion, you can tap and put it on your skin. I just love this. And so basically this works for the baking under your eye, or if you don't want any kind of fallouts when you are doing any eye makeup. So at that point of time this really works. And this costed me how much? I'll let you know. So this costed me 519 rupees only. So I haven't used it yet, so I cannot give a review, because I first want to try and then give a review to you. So the two lip liners which I have ordered from them, I wanted a lip liner because if you have seen my video, I usually don't use lip liners, right? Because I used to feel there's no need as such for a lip liner, or even, I mean, it just gives a dimension to your lips while you're applying the lipstick. But I wanted to give a try, so I ordered it from them. And these are two shades. Basically these shades are something which you use mostly, so that's the reason I ordered them. And they look like this, right? You just use it and show it, guys. How's it? So this is how's it. Pretty colors, right? So mostly these two colors are really common, because nowadays most of us use nude colors or pink shades, so this would really work for that. They costed me 262 rupees each only. So 262 rupees lip liner, really? And that's also from Forever 52. It's an amazing deal. I didn't want to leave it. Okay. Now coming back to the other two products which I had ordered. This is from Forever 52 again, and these are called as High Tech Matte Lipstick, and the tag is as made in Italy. So let me show you the colors for these. The packaging is really well, guys. I just love the packaging. This is how it looks like, right? And that's how it looks like. And this is the first color that I have ordered. This is the color, not bad, right? It's a nice color though. So this is one, which I ordered, and I had ordered one more from them. And this is a very pretty color. Look. I'll show you the color. This is it. Look at the pink color, how pretty it is, right? It's so pretty. I just love such colors. When you put, oh, the price. These lipsticks costed me how much? It costed me $4.54 each only. I mean, like really, you don't get such cheap lipsticks as far as I know. Because even if you go for a L'Oreal, Lakme kind of a brand, or lipsticks over there are like 600, 700 each. It's like that. So, and the quality, I must say, it's so soft to touch. It's really soft, velvet. Okay. Now the last product, yeah, it's the last one now. It's over. So the last product which I had ordered is this. So this is 4-color highlighter and contour powder. Okay, I was longing to buy a contour powder because I did not have it in powder. I had a stick, and again highlighter. I thought it's a palette, so let's go for it. I'll show you how does it look, and again the packaging. This is how it looks like, and look. So yeah, this is the color, and if I show you the highlighter, this is the highlighter. Look at it. Just look at it, the highlighter. I mean, it's amazing. Can you see that? Look at the job it's doing. Oh god, I'm just dying to use it. So for sure my next tutorial would be using my Forever 52 products for sure. Now this costed me 605 only. I mean, a complete palette in which you get a contouring powder as well as a highlighter just for 605 is an amazing deal, seriously. And last but not the least, guys, I think this was an amazing thing. The first benefit which I got after ordering so many things is that it was a free delivery. I did not have to pay anything extra for delivery. And the second thing which they gave me, an extra thing as a gift, it's this Forever Kajal. I mean, I got it free. I did not have to pay, and it's an extra lasting kajal. It's called as, okay, and this is how it is. And this is a kind of you can say a demo kind of a thing which they have given, that what all products do they have. So if you just want to first check by yourself, you can check it from this menu, you can say, and then you can decide it yourself what you want to go for. So yes, my experience so far was amazing with Forever 52. I love the products which I have already used. The ones which I haven't used, I cannot say anything about it just now. After using properly, I will let you know. But yes, the other best part about them is that they have their own account on Instagram, and anytime you have any questions related to the tracking, related to their products, or about the restocking or anything, trust me, they reply you within a minute's time. So that's another one plus point which I very good. I just loved it, and I hope you loved it too. This was my first haul which I did. Do let me know if you found it useful, and yes, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching patiently, and we'll be back soon. Bye.